Review Hub. ABIR X8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner Review. Brand name, ABIR, Turbo Brush, yes, Dust Box Capacity, L0.6 to 1L, Filter Type, HEPA, Size, mm330 by 330 by 96, Battery Life, 2 hours. LCD, no, Cleaning Route, Plan Type, Bag or Bagless, Bagless, Cord Length, M Wireless, Timing Reservation, yes. Remote Control, yes, Special Suction Nozzle, Efficient Brush, Dust Storage Type, Dust Box/Dust Bucket, Installation, Robot, Certification, CE, EMC, GS, ROHS, Voltage, V14.8V. Power, W32W, Function, Mopping and Sweeping and Suction Type, Navigation, Lidar plus SLAM Dual Location, UV Lamp, yes, Suction Power, 6500 PA, Y-shaped Dynamic Mopping, yes. Multiple Floors Maps, yes, Work with Alexa, Google Home, yes, Software Virtual Wall, yes, Customized Cleaning Area, yes, Restricted Area Setting, yes, Smart Electric Controlled Water Tank, small/normal/large. Breakpoint Resume Cleaning, yes, Multi-Map Management, yes, TOF Wisdom Sensor, yes, Battery, 3200 mAh battery, Noise Laven, less than 50 dB, Origin, Mainland China. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more video. Check description below for product link. Thanks for watching.